working in the backyard, stringing fence. We came in because it was hot, and my husband was on the bed, I was on the couch. I guess we fell asleep. My son come running through the house, tornado. We looked out the back door, there was a tornado at the back of our yard with 3 tunnels coming down. Well, the winds were so strong, it sucked my false teeth out of my mouth. It sucked shoes off my feet down, and I was rolling in the dark. And then I couldn't breathe, and I come out of rubble. And when I came up, that silver Jeep right there was sitting there, and I just stood up, got in the Jeep, and then my neighbor come and pulled me in the storm shelter. And then the next thing I remember is that paramedics taking me. Bleeding on the brain. I had broken toes, messed up ankle, and just road rash from head to toe.
Spend theirs alone as it comes and goes. Oh, oh, as it comes and goes. Oh, oh, you're drowning loud, you're drowning in the fear you live. But I can't stand here, I can't just stand and watch you fade away. Lay down, no. Feel your bare feet against the cold stone. Oh, and you'll see it someday. You'll see how it covers your eyes. And even after all,
you know, there's a lot of mud and a lot of debris. Tornado debris is maybe the most disgusting debris that you've ever been in. You have housing materials, nails, you know, wooden stakes of metal. You have, you know, we just got tetanus shots just right out here on the gravel road. The smell is pretty overwhelming. As you can see it behind, it's just crazy, and there's so much help that's come out. Project Soul's come out. They came here about 30 minutes ago, and they've been handing out all these shoes. I got a pair here. It really helps because when you're out here in the mud and, you know, all the debris and nails and stuff, all these shoes are really great to have. So we really thank you guys for coming out here.
As you can see from the total destruction behind us, it's a lot of work out here, and there's a lot of dangers. And today, I was so very thankful for you guys to show up with your shoes. Earlier, I was helping finish removing the wall of a house for some people up the street here, and when I stepped back, about 8 nails went straight up through my tennis shoes, but that's all I had to bring with me to volunteer and come help this community.
Like perfect. I like the shoe you picked for me.
even after all we've done, life doesn't choose us. Life only bruises those who want to spend theirs alone as it comes and goes.
From other states, and I mean, they have better things to do with their time. You know, this is the sweetest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Thank you, Keem.
Thank you, Keen.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Project Soul.
Thank you, Project Soul.